This customer got their vehicle towed in because they want BMW to warranty the damage, because it apparently wasn't his fault he hit something on the highway.
Piece of the knuckle right there. Sway bar link.
And this customer brought in their vehicle because they said their AC is blowing warm air.
Well, that was easy.
Well, this one is pretty interesting. The customer said his oil kept going low the past few months, so he's been adding oil over time to top it up. The customer told the mechanic that somebody told him to add oil in his coolant reservoir. The mechanic said he had to flush the coolant system multiple times, replace the radiator, and some other parts. And this customer came in because they said they hit something on the highway and wants their vehicle checked over. This customer unfortunately hit a patch of black ice and slid over a curb. The customer damaged 3 tires and a whole lot more.
And you open the hood, and oh boy. This guy must have hit that curb hard.
And this customer just wanted new rear shocks installed.
Customer states vehicle has power supply warning. Alternator will not charge. There should be a pulley there. Oh wait, here it is.
A mechanic found this GPS tracker on a customer's vehicle when it came in for some work. And this customer unfortunately had a raccoon on the interstate. Once the raccoon was removed from the vehicle, the mechanic knew it needed some help, so he called animal control to pick it up. Customers said they were stuck in the snow and heard a loud noise when they were trying to get out.